Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to Any Tech. In this video I'll be showing you how to hide your folders on Windows 10. This week's going to be quite a bit of a short video, but be sure to subscribe as next week's going to be an amazing video you don't want to miss. Also, if you're wondering why my desktop looks like this, as I mentioned in my last video, I'm going to be making a whole series of videos on how to make your DIY Windows 11, so be sure to be subscribed and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I launch them. In this video I'll be showing you two methods on how to hide a folder on Windows 10. So firstly, when you're on desktop, right click and select new, then select folder and give it a name. Now, as you can see, if I try and name this folder nothing, so I just delete new folder and press enter, then it just goes back to being called new folder. So in theory there's no way to name this folder nothing. So the way to get around this is select rename, press down the alt key, and whilst holding down the alt key, press 0160 and let go of the alt key and press enter. And as you can see, the folder has no name. This will only work on numpad. Now to change your icon, just right click, select properties, go to customize and click change icon. Now scroll and select one of the four blank icons, click apply and OK. Now Windows sometimes has a problem with instead of doing a blank icon, it just gives a black icon, a black square. So to get around this problem, click on properties and uncheck the read only on the attributes. Select apply, OK and OK. And in order for these changes to take effect, you need to reboot Windows. Now as you can see, I've rebooted Windows, and over here on desktop, my folder is still here, but it's got no icon and no name. It's really good if you want to hide a folder you use on a daily basis. Now the next method is a really old one. Just right click on desktop and click new and folder. Give it whatever name you want, so I'm going to call mine Any Tech. Now right click on it, select properties. Now under attributes, select hidden. Select apply and OK, and as you can see, the file's disappeared. Now the folder and everything in it still exists, you just can't see it. In order for you to see it, you just need to open File Explorer, and on the top panel just click on view and select view hidden icons and go to the place where your folder is kept. So in my case it's desktop. I'm going to double click on desktop, and as you can see, my hidden folder is there. See, Any Tech. Now you might also notice my blank folder is there with no icon and no title. And if I deselect view hidden items, you won't be able to see it. So it's an amazing way of hiding things you don't use on a day-to-day basis. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell to get notified when I launch the next video. Remember, next week I'm launching an amazing video, and I'll be posting a whole series of videos on how to make your own Windows 11. Also, if you'd like to suggest your own video, just comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you.